We'd like to introduce you to the Bulk Amphiblast from Schmidt Axxiom Manufacturing. This is an ingenious and unique piece of equipment that allows up to 3 operators to dry blast, wet blast, soft wash, or blow off, and what's more, each operator can utilize a different mode simultaneously and independently of one another. With a simple turn of the dial on the innovative control panel, each outlet can be changed and recommissioned to either wet blast, soft wash, or blow off. Set blasting pressure with the dial on the side of the panel. Water pressure is controlled with the dials on the front of the control panel. And switching the nozzle mode from blasting to soft wash will adjust the pressure automatically. Pressure reading gauges identify each outlet and provide confidence the equipment is delivering the proper and productive velocities for each procedure. An ideal application for the Bulk Amphiblast is a tank where the contractor can utilize multiple operators, each feeding from the bulk pot. The self-encapsulation of tank interiors are well suited for dry abrasive blasting, whereas environmental concerns or safety issues with dust may dictate the contractor employs wet blasting for coating removal of the outside surfaces. The Bulk Amphiblast is a patent-pending technology developed by Schmidt Axxiom Manufacturing. 4 separate applications, simultaneously available to 3 separate operators, and available through BlastOne.